guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am sharing with you 3 very glam and simple DIYs to create at home this holiday season. The first item that I want to share with you are 2 different glam pillows to DIY at home, and you don't need to sew them, so that's awesome. And also an ornament wreath with all your leftover ornaments. So I was inspired by this pillow that I saw online, and also by Christy's mail recent haul that she shared this really beautiful white pillow with some blend on it. And I honestly knew I wasn't going to be able to find those pillows, and I wanted white pillows, so I ordered this velvety cover, which is really nice and thick, from Amazon. And I also ordered this blinked out trim from Amazon, and I decided to make my own, and this is how it turned out. All you're going to need is a pillow, or if you want to do it in your assistant pillow, you could also do that. You don't have to buy a cover like I did, but you don't need to sew them. And I decided to hot glue them. You could also use fabric glue for this project, guys, but I didn't have any fabric glue handy, so I decided to just hot glue them. And I honestly love how it turned out. It gave me the white blinked out pillow that I wanted, that I couldn't find at stores, and it wasn't expensive to do. I will link all the items that I used in the description box, so check that out. And look how pretty they turned out. I'm so pleased. So for the next DIY pillow, we're doing a bow, and my mom decided to do this pillow herself and to show us. That was so nice of her. So first thing, you're gonna need to do this on your dining table or on a big table. My dining table was full of decor, and I was not about to take everything down, so we're doing this on the floor, so it was a little uncomfortable to record. But if you're good at wrapping gift, then this DIY is for you, because technically you're gonna be wrapping the fabric around the insert of the pillow like a wrapping gift, like you're wrapping a gift. So technically you're gonna bring the fabric to the center, and then hot glue, and then fold the edges and bring them to the middle, and that's pretty much it. And you're just gonna be hot gluing things around. So just see and follow here in the video. It's super simple to do. You guys could recreate this at home. We use 1 yard of fabric here. So you also want to cut a piece of fabric, and that's the fabric that you're going to use to cover the part where you're connecting the bowl. And then also we'll use the same blinked out fabric to cover that, so it looks so pretty and glam, because you know we're all about glam. And we use satin fabric for this. You can use fabric of your choice. The next DIY, I'm pretty sure if you follow me on Instagram you saw this, because I posted it, and I wasn't going to post it here, but then a lot of you guys reached out to me via YouTube and told me that you don't have Instagram, so I decided to share it here. And all I did with this was get a wreath from Michael's, painted silver with metallic silver spray, and then I hot glue literally like all the ornaments that I had left over, you guys. I wanted the look to be more like a, you know, messy, not linear look, because the ones that you see at the store, like, they look so perfect. I don't know how to explain it, but this one has the balls going different directions, and it's just me, you know. And I think it turned out so pretty, you guys. Guys, thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Happy holiday to you and yours. God bless, and don't forget to leave me a comment letting me know what was your favorite part of this DIY.